Hi, this is David Azimi with INTERO Real Estate Services. I am super excited to bring to you 507 Tramway in Milpitas, California. This property offers a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, completely remodeled, move-in ready. I am so excited. I want you to take a tour with me. I'm standing in the kitchen of 507 Tramway in Milpitas. What I love about this kitchen, the open concept with the family room, but I have Tammy here with me, and I want to ask Tammy a few questions regarding this kitchen. Tammy, can you share some thing about this kitchen?
Oh, David, what I love most about this kitchen is a quartz countertop, it's an update appliance, and the entertainment friendly.
Wow, she said it all. You know, when she says updated friendly, this kitchen does offer that. Now, let's take a tour and take a look at the living room of this property. You know, I'm standing in the backyard of 507 Tramway, beautifully landscaped. But before I forget, I have Tammy here. Tammy, can you share the school information, please?
Oh, this school, it's 10 out of 10. Excellent.
Wow. Now, if you have a family to raise, schools are phenomenal. You know where to get a hold of us. If you need any further information regarding this property, you could get a hold of me and Tammy at the numbers below via text, email, or a quick phone call. Like I always say, catch you on the next one.
Thank you.